In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Chatgpt access denied errors by clear troubleshooting steps. Let's get started. First, I navigate to Chatgpt and look at the interface. To begin troubleshooting, I move my cursor down to the bottom left corner to click on my profile icon. From the pop-up menu, I select the Log Out option. A confirmation message appears asking if I am sure I want to log out, and I click the Log Out button to proceed. The system will take a few moments as it displays a logging out of all accounts message. Once completed, I am returned to the standard logged out page. Next, I look for further solutions. I navigate to the top left corner of my browser window and click on the View Site Information icon next to the URL bar. From the drop-down menu, I select Site Settings, which opens up a new Chrome Settings tab. Here, under the Usage section for Chatgpt, I click the Delete Data button. A confirmation prompt appears, warning that all data and cookies will be deleted, and I click Delete to confirm. After clearing the data, I close this Settings tab to return to the browser page. Now, I go back to the top left and click on the View Site Information icon again. This time, I select the Cookies and Site Data option, and then I click on Manage On-Device Site Data. A pop-up window shows the saved data for the site, and I click the trash bin icon next to chatgpt.com to remove it before clicking Done. If the access denied issue persists, extensions could be the cause. I move to the top right corner of the browser, click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu, and then select Extensions followed by Manage Extensions. This opens my active browser extensions. I locate the active VPN extension and click the toggle switch to turn it off, ensuring no proxy connections are interfering with my access. I then close this tab to return to Chatgpt. With all of these changes applied, I see the Reload banner again and click the Reload button one more time. Now the interface refreshes completely. To check if everything is fully resolved, I click on the Log In button in the top right corner. A Google sign-in window appears, and I click Continue as my profile. The browser goes through a quick verification process and successfully logs me back in. My account sidebar loads properly on the left, and the main page displays standard prompt options like Create an Image or Write or Edit, showing that the access denied error is completely fixed and Chatgpt is fully functional. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.